Dropship Me Dropshipping Review, Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Welcome to our review of Dropship Me Dropshipping. Links to the product and additional resources are provided in the description below. Dropship Me is a dropshipping solution designed to simplify the process of sourcing products for your online store. It offers a curated collection of high-quality, pre-vetted products with professional product descriptions and images, making it ideal for entrepreneurs looking to quickly start or scale their dropshipping business. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned seller, Dropship Me streamlines the product selection process, helping you focus on growing your business instead of spending hours on product research. One of the standout features of Dropship Me is its selection of pre-vetted, high-converting products. Unlike other platforms where you may have to sort through hundreds or even thousands of items, Dropship Me offers a curated list of hand-picked products that are proven to sell well. Each product comes with detailed descriptions, high-quality images, and supplier information, making it easy to import them directly into your store with minimal customization. Another major feature of Dropship Me is its integration with WooCommerce and Shopify, allowing for easy product import into your online store. With just a few clicks, you can have these products added to your shop and start selling right away. Additionally, Dropship Me provides a seamless order fulfillment system, ensuring that your customers receive their orders quickly and efficiently. Dropship Me is made for dropshippers who want a fast and reliable way to find high-quality products without having to sift through endless options. It's especially helpful for those who prefer to work with a smaller, curated selection of products rather than dealing with the overwhelming number of items on other platforms. In terms of strengths, Dropship Me offers a simple, time-saving solution with pre-vetted, high-quality products and seamless integration with popular e-commerce platforms. However, its weaknesses include a limited product selection compared to other dropshipping platforms and a subscription-based pricing model that may not suit everyone's budget. In conclusion, Dropship Me is an excellent choice for dropshippers looking for a quick, hassle-free way to start selling proven products with minimal effort. While its product selection may be limited, the quality and ease of use make it a strong option for those serious about dropshipping. Be sure to check the description for more information and to get started.